Ciao Tesla people, today I wanted to show you how to change the color of your car. And I'm not talking about the wrapping or painting, but the color on the screen and on the app, okay? So this is the Spring UI, so you get a full screen animation of your car, including the shadow on the bottom. And if you go to the main menu here, you get this bunch of icons, and you go to the ToyBox and you get customize the color of your car. So you select customize, and you can check out this color. For example, I had orange, so let's pick a color, a different color, very different color, like purple or dark blue, and you can change it in a solid color, and you see here in matte, metallic, or matte. Okay, well, let's pick another one that is more visible. Okay, here is solid, metallic, and then matte. Okay, and as soon as it changes here, you see it changed to the up. Okay, it might took a few seconds. You can refresh and it will pick up the color. So if I change it to orange here, back to orange, the app didn't pick it up, now it picked it up. Okay, or you can change it to another color, for example blue. It didn't pick it up yet. Let's change it, refresh, and it picked it up. Okay, and that's how you change. So you can select whatever color you want. You can make a solid color or a metallic or matte. Okay, and then to save this color, you can just add it to your palette of colors. So you can shift to the color that you prefer, and you can put it back into the, my car originally is white, so you can put it white, and on the app it picks up the original color. So let's go back to my matte orange, and that's it. That's how you change the color of your car on the display. You can play around with it and make it the color that you want, that you like. For example, if you are going to wrap the car, you might want to check it out, this animation first, to see how it goes. Now, another thing that I wanted to show you is that, for example, if I go to display and I make it, now I have it in auto. That means it keeps the display white in the daylight, and it becomes dark at the evening or night. Okay, if you put it in dark mode, you see it goes dark. And if I go to the bigger animation, you see how it goes. There is a glow of orange around the car, okay, which is pretty cool. It's like the reflection of the car on the screen. Okay, let's go to the ToyBox and see if we change the colors to a more flashy one. For example, the green one. So let's go back to this, and you see there is a glow of green. So there is a shadow, and if you see it, it's like it looks like there is a wall here, but it's not, and it's pretty cool. And there is also a shadow on the bottom. Okay, so let me go back to my orange, customize it, and let's go back there, and you see the app picks it up right away. Pretty cool, no? So you can play around with this, and it's fun, just a fun thing. So please subscribe to the channel, put a like on this video, turn on notification if you're already subscribed, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.